We never thought about this website before. Actually, a plenty amount of money you will get paid just for watching videos. Now you are watching this video, and just like this, you will get paid after watching different types of videos from online. At the end of relaxing, traveling, and doing anything else. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day, I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel, and please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you have a special questions to make money online, I suggest you to comment on my comment box. So let's get started. Right, this is first website. I think this is cashkick.com. Cashkick.com. Any people of the world can be joined to start their earning for by using their computer or their mobile phone easily on this particular website. I think cashkick.com. So let me show which country one you coming from. So this one is cash is the greatest reward. We will deposit cash into your amount account for all the farm thing you are already doing online. Answer survey, find great deals, watch videos, surf the web. I suggest you to watch all types of videos from this website after creating your account. But remember, if you want to earn more and more, just start your journey on answering different types of surveys, and there are lots of great deals. On the other hand, this one is final thing. I mean, surf the web, I think. So here is the total criteria. I think you can read this one. We will deposit your earnings into your PayPal account. Our platform is free. We will never charge you for anything, and we will always ask your consent before depositing funds over here. Get paid directly to your PayPal account. Just if you come to this, you will be able to get lots of information about this particular website. I mean cashkick.com. Get started now by signing up. I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. I also agree to the receive periodic emails with offers and promotional marketing messages from Cashkick. And it's as easy as one, two, or three. First one is find and complete your mission. From answering surveys to watching videos, there are always great easy tasks for you to choose from. Complete as many as you like. There are no limit. Watch the earnings grow in your account. Your insights help companies grow, so they are happy to pay you for your time and effort. Just sit back and watch the money pile up as you complete your missions. Number three, cash out early, easy, and often. Cashback offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market, and we deposit your money quick, securely, and conventionally, starting at just $5 at a time over here. How does it work? Companies are eager to get their deals in front of the consumers like you and to get your feedback. In fact, your, your opinions are so valuable, they will even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and internet connection. It will take care of this. This one is a testimonial. So lots of reviews are over here, and lots of the people are working on this particular website. I think you can start your journey on this particular website to earn extra cash. But remember, you can earn more and more thousands and thousands dollars from this particular website. But you can earn extra cash at the end of the month as a sign up bonus or amount of money from this cashback.com. So how you will start your journey on this particular website? Just come to this first phase. I think you provide your email address and choose the password. Just click on the get started now. Boom, this is the best and easiest way to get connected, or you can start your journey on this particular website cashkick.com. Second one is, I think, creation rewards.net. Creationsreward.net is another amazing website to earn extra $5 bonus as a sign-up bonus. I think so. You can choose or target this website to earn extra cash by working or by completing lots of work from here. By rewarded for what you do online at Creation Rewards, earn free gift cards and cash. New members receive a $5 sign up bonus. So if you come to this website, you will get lots of information, earning points, take daily service, shop online, watch videos, explore websites, try offers, and much more. There is always something to do to earn points. We recommend logging in daily. Number two is redeeming points. Redeem your points for free gift cards to your favorite stores such as Amazon.com or Walmart, or redeem your points for cash through PayPal or CZ and Fund. This one is the best and easiest way to earn extra money from this creationrewards.net easily from here. So this one is first one. I think paid service was videos, visit websites, online shopping, complete special offers, refer friends and family, and much more over here. This one is since the year 2000. We have been rewarding our members 18 years strong. So after coming here, you have to create your account, just providing all the information on this particular verse. Provide your email address from here and select your country, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. Over here, just provide your password and confirm password. Just click on this not a robot, just click on this register. Now, I'd like to share another one. This one is called quickrewards.net. This one is another website to earn extra money at the end of the month as a student or a housewife or a unemployed person from any corner of the world by using a computer or a mobile phone. First one is complete service, but I recommend you to do all types of other ones, such types of play games and watch videos, complete offers, shop online. If you want to earn extra cash or more money, just you can complete lots of service from here, but it's so boring, so boring, so boring. I think so. You can start your journey as completing your watching videos from here. So quick redemptions, no minimum for PayPal, processed within 72 hours, weekly mailing of gifted over here. Just click on this box over here, create an account. Then you are watching this one, minimum payout 1 cent. I mean redeem, you will be able to get 1 cent from here, and 7 million plus people are paid to members in this particular website, and this one is rating A plus, I think. So how you will start your journey on this particular website? I mean, just click on this create an account, and boom, this is the best and easiest way to get connected on quickrewards.net. So today I have shared about three amazing websites. First one is called cashkick.com and get paid directly to your PayPal, and second one is, I think, creations war rewards.net, and third one is, I think, quick rewards.net. So I recommend you to start your journey for ensuring extra money at the end of this month. You will be very jolly or enjoyable life to get connected on this particular website. Thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request to watch my previous videos from YouTube from this Make Money Online. If you want to create your new channel or want to grow up your new channel, so just come to this playlist and you will be able to learn some tips and tricks on YouTube channel, I think. So if you are a new YouTuber or if you want to create or upgrade your YouTube channel, just follow this video from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends. And just if you have any question, just come to this comment box and comment. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.